are here in the heart of the region where the Swiss watchmaking tradition was born, and where every day the Luminox team is dedicated to continuing this tradition with passion and pride. Each watch is designed with the bold look and feel that has characterized the brand since its foundation, bringing forward a formula that has always rhymed with impact, efficiency and success. In our workshops, every piece is assembled with extreme care and precision by experienced hands, including the application of presumably the world's smallest LLT tubes, a unique feature of the Luminox products, making the dials readable in the dark without needing to charge them. As a final step, each timepiece makes its way to quality control, where its accuracy and resistance to the elements of rigorously tested. We were proud to be able to consistently guarantee the highest standards of performance and longevity. But not only, our factory draws up to 80% of its energy from the sun, preserving the climate and making a positive and lasting impact on our environment and on society is at the core of our DNA. It is from here, in the cradle of Swiss watchmaking, that we commit to ship worldwide the very best of Swiss excellence.